Maybe this week has asked a lot of you. Now it's time to ask for nothing and focus on yourself.
So take a moment to get comfortable, sitting up straight. When you're ready, you can close your eyes or soften your gaze and begin breathing deeply. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. Imagine there's warmth spreading downward over your face, through your shoulders, down your arms, and let it travel through your chest, loosening all your muscles that worked too hard. Allow this warmth to travel down your spine, through your hips, down through your legs, all the way to your feet and toes. You're scanning your body for peace, not problems. Each breath you take is a soft wave, clearing away any leftover noise from the week. Now, imagine that same warmth transforming into light, filling you, recharging you. You've done enough. You are enough. When you're ready, you can open your eyes and let this calm energy guide your weekend. Rest isn't idleness. It is maintenance for the soul.